Okay, hello everyone. Today I would like to share how to use percentage in scientific writing. So, an hour ago, I wrote down an essay. It consisted of the percentage in the form of symbol and the letter. And I consider between using the symbol and using the letter. And then I found a website that is very cool for me, and it says there are two different uses of percent using the symbol and percent using the letter. Let's check it out. Okay, I have two columns here. We have the symbol and the percent as the letter. The symbol is used in scientific and technical writing. For example, when you have the formula of certain subjects and then you write down the symbol. And for the letter, for example, percent, it is used in the beginning of a sentence in the form of word. So if you have the number followed by the percent, it should be written down in the form of word if it is in the beginning of a sentence, okay? And then, yeah, for example, we have more than 20% of the participants responded to the treatment. We use the symbol here because it is not placed in the beginning of a sentence. And the second one, we have 20% of the control group responded to the treatment. We use the letter here because it comes in the beginning of a sentence. So it is clear when we should use the symbol and when we should use the letter. I think that's all, everyone. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye.